I was gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump out.
I just wanna show you that I'm the nicest. Tell me if you like it.
Hi guys, it's Nica. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. I know I've been gone for a little while. I think maybe 2-3 weeks. I'm not sure. Yeah, I went to Boston for my little sister's graduation. That was fun. So took a little break from filming for that. But yeah, now I'm back. Just quickly, I want to say, you guys, I know you've seen like everything that's been going on in the US with the border and immigration thing, and you know, as a mom seeing it, it's really hard, and reading everything, it's really hard because I don't know what I would do if my son was taken away from me and I had no knowledge of what he was doing, and just the inhumane conditions that other human beings are being held in is just absolutely absurd. I hope, the idiot in chief of the United States does something and realizes what he's doing is horrible and fixes this. So yeah, just, keep those people in your prayers and just pray that the United States fixes itself, because it's a little cray right now. Yeah, so today's video is about this hairstyle. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. This is actually my first time ever doing this style. I got this wig from my mom. Decided to try this style out that I've seen like some other beauty gurus that I like do. So you guys can kind of follow along with me and watch how I did it. But yeah, I don't want this intro to be super long, so let's get into the video. So the wig I'm using is this I think it's a Vivica Fox Kendall wig. I looked it up because there was no packaging, but the tag says a Vivica Fox. So yeah, and the wig just has like this comb here and then a comb back here and adjustable straps, and it has like this weird like lace parting that looks gray, but yeah. But yeah, okay, so let's put this to the side. So my own hair, I've parted it, well, attempted to part it from like ear to ear. So yeah, for the back, I'm just giving myself some straight back braids. And look at my little hang time, you guys. I'm not bald anymore. So I have my little push spray bottle here, and it just has leave-in conditioner, oil, and water in it. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit of that on my hair, and I'm gonna use the Got To Be Ultra Glued. I'm going to just wet. Oh, girl. See, that's why I don't do my makeup before I do my hair, but I wanted to look cute in this video, so we're just gonna make it work. Well, I'm just gonna wet like the little front of my hair here, so brush that through. So yeah, now that's nice and damp. We're gonna take some of our gel. I like how this smells. But anyway, I'm just gonna put some gel on the front, pour it here. And then just swoop. My hair's gotten so thick too. I love it. Okay. Oh, I probably should have mentioned that my hair was stretched out prior to this. So yeah. I'm just gonna link this up. Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, I'm just gonna take a hair tie. Okay. Not too tight though, bro. Not too tight. Oh, for my edge control, I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. If you know me, you know I love this edge control. Wet with some hairspray like I normally do. And I'm just gonna take my scarf and tie it down for a little bit. So tie down my the edges. Oh yeah, okay. I should get a little here. And for hairspray, I use the Aussie Mega Hairspray, which is this one. And yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry and then come back. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. First of all, these are bomb. Like, I just grabbed them thinking it was just flaming hot, but it's sweet chili. It's so good. Like, of course they're spicy as hell, but they have like this little sweet aftertaste that I just love. Okay. This is not a mukbang. Let's get back to the video. Now let me take this down. Oh wait, I put this on afterwards. Ooh. Okay, we late. Let's see. This isn't dry all the way. I'll just like put bobby pins on it. Cause I got ish to do, man. Really keep it, but for the most part, it's pretty flat. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the wig. Oh, I forgot to say, this is like, I think in a color number 2. It's usually. So what I think I'm gonna do, let me like tighten the straps back here a little. Okay. And then, okay, so the front comb's a little like off center because this is supposed to be like a side part. So I think I'm going to sort of force it to be a middle part. So let's see. Okay, so I put the comb in, let me hold it. And pull this back section down so I can find this comb now. Okay, I think that's it over there. And over here, we're just gonna bring that forward. Let's see on this side. Okay. This is what we have so far. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take, because I want some of the hair to like fall around my bunion, like this. Okay, I think this might be good. Should I do a bun? Should I do a ponytail? Let me see. Let's see. I feel a little bun now. Yeah, I think I need. Oh my god, this is so cute. Mom, thank you for this wig. I love it already. And I'm not even done with my style yet. Okay. Let me see here. I'm gonna try to cover. Like, I want my hair like under the bun just so it can make it like bigger. This is so cute. What? This is so cute. Put a few bobby pins in the bun so it stays. We can't see any tracks, can we? Like the wig tracks? I don't think so. At this point, I am pretty much done. I'm just going in and doing a few tweaks to the hairstyle. I'm adding some pins inside the wig and securing it to my braids so that I don't risk the wig flying off in the back. I'm then taking a few pieces and just wrapping them around the bun, just because I didn't like the way they fell around my face. Now I am just cutting off about 4 inches of the hair just because I felt that it would look cuter, just shorter and a little bit rounder, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go through and just blunt cut it all around so it has more of a natural curl effect, and just touching up my edges, and that's it. Man, that's what it looks like when you lift it on both sides. So yeah, you guys, that was it. That is how I achieved this hairstyle for my first time ever trying this. I think it came out great. That is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to help, you want to join the fam, that would be really nice. But yeah, I think that is it. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
I just want